we had our 19 Grand Marshals, all the Manamkus from these different villages of Guam, from Jigu to Malesu, all of them who suffered the ravages of World War II. It's been an honor. Today we've had typical Liberation Day weather, some sunshine, some rain, our natural air conditioning, and it's just a wonderful experience. It's a good time now to commemorate our past and also to look forward to our future.